How about the music? Do you guys have a favorite song or favorite music set so far?
I really thought it was bold for them, the way they dressed up as Kiss on the first morning. That's pretty gutsy, I gotta say. So that's kind of my favorite.
I mean, I like the intro with Kiss. That was awesome.
Right when they started the Kiss set, it was awesome.
From the start of Kiss opening it up, to the Cars, to Duran Duran, it's just an amazing band. So I like to go get the CD too.
So keep on shining, you keep on shining. Go! I wanna rock and roll all night. Sing it and party every day.
They played The Boulevard of Broken Dreams by Green Day. That was pretty chill. I'm a 90s baby, so I love that stuff.
One that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's home to me.
I walk alone, and what I really enjoyed was the little cartoon that they had playing up above the band. And so it was hard for me because I have ADD. I wanted to watch the band and I wanted to watch the cartoon at the same time. And that cartoon just hit me because I walk alone. I work with people who don't believe what I am selling, and it's so hard because I feel like that little guy in that little cartoon.
My favorite song, oh geez, I don't know. I really don't know any names of the songs, but I want to hear some Bob Marley. I don't know if you're going to take these requests to them.
Maybe Free Fallin', don't have, one right off the bat, but Gestures are great.
I'm looking forward to Tom Petty's. He's doing a Tom Petty tribute, after lunch, so I can't wait to see that.
I sang along to all the songs.
I like a lot of it, but no, I couldn't pick one out.
Nine for me. Free falling.
I'd say the song by the Killers this year.
The Killers, I like that so far, yeah. But shout out to the Adjusters, they're a wonderful band, and I'm looking forward to hearing more of their stuff. They played a Killers song that I love.
Sometimes you close your eyes and you see the place that you used to live when you were young.
Time it was more variety in what they're playing. Last year it was all classic rock, which was great, but here it just kind of goes all over the place. So there's definitely a lot more songs that are like, oh, great. They had 80s, 70s, all kinds of stuff, Kiss. So
Let's see. I like the Duran Duran set so far. Well, I'm 47, so that era that they're playing, the old rock, is what I grew up on. I like all that too. I love Kiss and Aerosmith and Rolling Stones, all that music, just great. Hard to say which one again.
I love all 80s music, so I did put a request in last year. Any 80s music is awesome. AC/DC Thunderstruck, there you go.